Hello everyone. Those who know me, it's fine. Those who don't, I'm Dr. Swati Mittal Agarwal, an advanced aesthetic injector and anti-aging specialist with an experience of over 10 years in this industry. Have you ever noticed those lines coming on your forehead and around the eyes which were not present few years back? Have you ever wondered that you can look younger or those lines can disappear? Today, we are going to talk about one of the most common and most commonly misunderstood treatment of the aesthetic industry. Botox treatment for facial wrinkles, also called the anti-aging injections. अगर आप भी curious हो about the Botox treatment, if you want to get it done or still thinking, then this video is for you. What is Botox? Botox is a medically derived protein which is derived from botulinum toxin type A. It is FDA approved, medically tested and researched, and it is not only for cosmetic procedures and wrinkles, it is also used for migraines, muscle spasms and pain. In aesthetics, Botox is used to smooth the dynamic wrinkles which comes on the forehead or on the eyebrows when we raise the brows or around the eyes. Some important myth about Botox: that it frozens your face, it makes your face look swell, but it doesn't. It only relaxes the muscle and makes you look more relaxed and confident. Think of facial wrinkles like creases in your clothes. Every time you smile, squint, you raise your eyebrows, there are lines coming on your face. Over a period of time, if they are untreated, they become permanent. Botox works by three mechanisms: by relaxing the muscles where the injection is injected, secondly, by decreasing the contraction of the muscle, third, by smoothing the area where the Botox is injected. When done correctly, your face looks refreshed, your wrinkles becomes lesser, and you look done, not overdone. At Faceaesthetics Beauty, Botox is most commonly used for forehead lines, frown lines, lines around the eyes, lip flip, jaw slimming, and for the neck. Each face is different. That's why customized planning of Botox is essential. बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है कि Botox में पेन होता है? No, it is a minimally invasive procedure. We apply the numbing cream followed by giving the small injections. So minimal discomfort, no pain. In plastic surgeries, there's a downtime. 3-4 दिन आपको घर पे रहना पड़ता है, or you have to rest. But with Botox injections, you can go to your work or your party the same day. Botox does not work instantly. Initial effect comes in 3 to 6 days. The final effect comes in 2 weeks, and the results stays for 3 to 6 months. 3 सेशंस ऑफ बोटॉक्स के बाद ही आपको अपनी फेस में चेंजेस नजर आते हैं. The wrinkles don't come. It's kind of a preventive anti-aging treatment also. There is no side effects of Botox. It is a clinical and tested procedure. Mild swelling comes which settles in 2 to 3 hours. Why do you think you should choose us? At Faceaesthetics Beauty, we believe in safety and natural results. That's the utmost important. If you are considering to get your Botox in Delhi, then book your consultation now. Question for you all: would you rather choose your Botox later or prevent your wrinkles early? Thanks for watching. Follow us for more such updates.